Hi, my name is Chris, and this is Until Reality Catches Up. This is a space where we honor the pause, process the messy parts, and grow together. After the exercise I shared last episode, nothing in my circumstances really changed, but something inside me did. I started trusting myself more, that even if I have to start again, I know I'm not starting from zero. This time, I'm starting with experience. Lahat ng meron ako ngayon, wala naman ako nito dati. And yet, somehow, I built it. So I trust myself I can do it again. At kapag ramdam ulit ako ng takot, I remind myself, yung magulang mo, kinaya nila. Kakayanin mo rin. Sa lahat ng pagsubok na pinagdaanan mo, lagi mo namang nalalagpasan at napagtatagumpayan. Naalala ko tuloy yung sinabi ng kapatid ko na ang mabigat, gumagaan, basta nagtutulungan. Nung nasa ospital si Papa, lahat kami may ginagampan ng role. Walang maliit or malaking tulong. May nag-aasikaso ng alagang hayop niya, may nag-handle ng hospital bills, si Mama yung nagbabantay sa ospital, may naghahatid ng pagkain, at yung mga gamit na kailangan. And above all, yung praise and well wishes coming from friends and family. Lahat gumagalaw, lahat pagod, pero nananatiling matatag sa hamon ng buhay. And maybe that's what strength really look like when everyone just shows up tired but still choosing to care. Kaya sa mga taong patuloy na lumalaban, katulad ko, katulad ng pamilya ko, kayang-kaya, kayang-kaya mo yan. Iba-iba lang yung mukha ng pagsubok, pero pareho tayong may pinanghahawakang pananalig na kakayanin natin. Ano man yan. And when someone tells me, kaya mo yan, I suddenly find strength again. Minsan nga ito pa yung message na may haha yung dulo. Pero sa totoo lang, bumubuhos na yung luha mo. Because deep down, that's all you needed to hear. Not advice, not correction. Just quiet companionship. A gentle reminder that you're not alone in this fight. So if you're listening to this right now and life feels heavy again, take a deep breath. You've done hard things before. You can do them again. Because every time you rise again, you prove to yourself you were never starting from zero. You're growing, you're healing, and you're doing better than you think. This is Until Reality Catches Up. And this time, reality can wait a little longer while you rest, while you breathe, while you remember. Kayang-kaya mo yan.